So Ethan's sleeping and he's snoring away. Always has his hand out, never wants that tucked into the blanket.